Anna. Welcome back to StartSpeak English. I'm Anna, and today we have a really fun episode for you.
And I'm Mike.
Today, we're talking about something every traveler needs: how to make friends while you're on the road.
That's right. Whether you're staying in a hostel, joining a guided tour, or just walking around a new city, meeting people is one of the best parts of traveling.
And the good news? You don't need perfect English to start a conversation. You just need the right words and a little courage.
So let's get into it. Our first conversation starter is perfect for hostels. When you see someone in the common room, just say, "Hey, is this your first time here?"
Simple, right? It's an easy yes or no question, but it almost always leads to a longer conversation. If they say yes, you can ask where they're from. If they say no, you can ask for tips about the city.
Pro tip: smile when you say it. A smile makes any sentence sound friendlier. Our second starter is great for guided tours. When you're waiting for the tour to begin, turn to the person next to you and say, "Have you been on this tour before? Is it good?" People love sharing opinions. This question makes them feel like an expert, and suddenly you have a conversation going. Exactly. Wait, we said we wouldn't overuse that word. Let me try again. Right. And here's a third one for tourist attractions. You're standing near something beautiful, a castle, a beach, a famous square. Just say, "Wow, this place is incredible. Where are you from?"
Anna. The compliment about the place starts the moment, and then the question opens the door. It feels natural, not forced.
Number 4 is for hostels again. If someone is looking at a map or their phone, walk over and say, "Are you trying to find something? I just got back from exploring. Maybe I can help."
Offering help is one of the most powerful conversation starters. It shows kindness, and people always remember it.
Our fifth starter works anywhere. Just say, "What's been your favorite thing about this city so far?"
This one is magic. Everyone has an answer, and their answer tells you a lot about them. You might even discover a hidden place you didn't know about.
Sixth, when you're eating or sitting with other travelers, try, "Any good food recommendations around here?" Food is a universal topic. Everyone has something to say.
And our seventh starter is for the end of a tour or a shared experience. Say, "That was so fun. Are you heading anywhere else today?"
It's a gentle way to continue the connection and maybe even plan something together.
Now let's talk about confidence, because we know some of you are shy, and that is completely okay.
Here's the truth. Most travelers are a little nervous too. Everyone is in a new place, a little outside their comfort zone. That actually makes it easier to connect.
Start small. One sentence. One question. That's all it takes. And if you make a grammar mistake, don't worry. The other person probably won't notice, and they won't care. Practice these phrases before your trip. Say them out loud at home. The more familiar they feel, the easier they'll come out in real life.
Anna.
All right, let's do a quick review. Today's conversation starters were: is this your first time here? Have you been on this tour before? Where are you from? Are you trying to find something? What's been your favorite thing? Any food recommendations? And are you heading anywhere else today?
7 simple phrases that can open 7 new friendships.
We hope you feel ready to use them. Your next trip could be full of amazing conversations and new friends, and your English will get better every time you try.
Social media.
Thank you so much for spending this time with us today. If you found this episode helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new episode.
We are always here to help you speak English with more confidence and joy. This is StartSpeak English, and we'll see you in the next episode.